Yeah, yeah, that's the same. That's the same exact thing. I told Mike. I said, Mike,
Man, for real, dog. I tried to say
you
it,
ain't got
but
no money.
they're around back.
You ain't got no money.
I think they outside.
I loaned Mike $150. What was that?
They outside.
Bro, I think that was last week, baby. Yeah, or last week. I said, Mike, uh, hey, I'm taking them too. These drinks. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take these with me. But yeah, I said, Mike, you ain't got no money. So while you trying to stack up what you can stack up, what you think I'm trying to do? What you think I'm trying to do? You know what I'm saying? So the thing about Mike is, Mike always want a handout, and I tell him, I said, Mike, you got to get your life together. Because this is the thing here. When we grew up, we worked for every doggone penny. We got every red cent. Every red cent. We worked for it, didn't we? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know. So the thing about Mike is, Mike, look, I'm done with him. I told him last time, I said, I can't do Mike no more. Hey, grab them keys, open the trunk for me.
What you want me to do?
Go get the keys, open the trunk, hurry up. We finna go. Yeah, man, but no, Mike, I don't want nothing to do with Mike. I don't want nothing to do with Mike. Mike want a handout. Mike don't never contribute, but he always wants something. Mm-hmm. Always wants something. Watch out. Yeah. Hold that door for me. Yeah, Mike a trip, man. I'm telling you.
Hey,
that boy, Mike, man.
Yeah, Mike a trip, man. He a trip.
Sweetie, of course you're cunt. And no one can change that, okay? You just are. Come on, let's go get a sustainably sourced lavender eucalyptus matcha latte.
Let's go.
Why are you crying from? Want to be getting B's and C's in your exam? My goodness me, of jollof fries. Not one single A. Not one. Look at you.
She said I was improving.
No. Your teacher said to me, you are not focusing. Not 1 inch of focus from you. Want to come and devastate the family name. But don't worry. You will see the light today.
Dad, where are we going? Where are we going? This isn't the way home.
We are not going home. We are driving down the path of darkness. Let me tell you something. When you get home, the beating. When we get home, the beating is the same. We'll make tantalizing. Finish nice.
Fuck you.
I'm a virgin. Never got close enough. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I
Fucking hell, oh my days, shit. Oh, fuck.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Carl, why is this on the side? It's soaking. Do you think it's gonna grow legs and put itself in the dishwasher? Alright, well I could just put it... No! I'll do it. You sit down, relax, don't strain yourself. I'll do it. Like I do everything in this fucking house. I haven't stopped all day. In all the 55 million years I've been on this earth, not once have you offered to do anything around here. Were you born in a barn? Well, you are a cow. Also, more new shoes. You bought these puns 8 years ago. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. Money doesn't grow on trees, you know. Wait till your dad hears about this. He's gonna kick your fucking head.
Let's go.
А всего лишь петуньи и...
The prophecy is true.
Damn, this shit long as fuck. I was good, bro. What you going over there eating?
Oh, no, a piece of steak.
You're eating what? You're eating a piece of steak? Don't you ever eat no meat in my house! Have you lost your fucking mind? Do you fucking know what a cow and a horse has to go through to live on this piece of shit ass planet? I cannot believe you right now. Like, as a brother of the animal family, you eat your own kind? Oh my God. Shut the hell up! Because you don't know what an animal has to go through for that shit, man! Look at him! Look at him! Now be honest. Would you eat this poor koala bear if it was the last piece of meat on earth?
Yep.
Krusty Krab delivery.
Oh, you got my pizza?
Yeah.
What the fuck is my drink?
What drink?
My drink! I waited 3 hours for a drink! Get the fuck out of here! Screw ain't around.
Oh hell no. Big got me fucked up.
What? Did I tell him about my drink?
Headphones on the house.
But this song's still for you. All I want is love that lasts. Is all I want, too much to ask. Is it something wrong with
Dumbass bitch.
you? Have to be honest. Am I ugly? Yes or no?
I think it's a carrot.
And I've got to say, in all honesty, it's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Mm-hmm. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Pants low, afro, no shirt, blowing perp. I'm not a star, I'm just a regular old hood nigga.
Hey, pal. She said knock it off, knock it off. I don't want to raise my voice. Knock it off! You good? All right. Men only have 5 moves.
Man, this shit make me mad. All the girls are on me. Damn, everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy.
I'm sorry, y'all. I had to get out of character there.
Oh, it's Wednesday.
I'm not doing that shit no more. Y'all think I'm bullshit. I'm not doing that. I don't give a fuck.
How you doing today, man? Yeah, good. I'm driving Route 5. No, not now. Not now. Yeah, I'm good. Good, alright. Take care, man. Take care.
Gang, 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 gang. Period. Laughing my ass.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just get a venti caramel macchiato, blonde shots, upside down. It's gonna be ice with vanilla cold foam. And the name is for Sarah. Excuse me, bitch, ma'am. I wasn't ready to take your order yet. I was finishing someone else's drink, so if you can come back over here and repeat what you just said, I'll be more than happy to take your order. Okay. I got a venti iced caramel macchiato, blonde shots, cold foam. Name is Sarah. Thank you very much. I'm a regular, so they usually just give it to me for free. No problem. No, ma'am, there is a problem. Bring your skinny-legged ass over here and pay this drink. I don't know who you are, and I don't know who the fuck you think you are, but bitch, I'm Antoine. And I don't let shit slide here. So you gonna pay. Okay, I make about $425K a year. I don't give a rat's ass. Okay? You got that much money, come pay this fucking drink. Look, you don't know who you're messing with, alright, Antoine? Okay? Bitch, did you just stomp your feet at me? Bitch, this ain't no stomp the yard. Stomp your ass out of the store is what you can do. Where's your manager? I would like to speak to your manager. This customer service isn't acceptable. Well, I am the manager. A matter of fact, I own this store. And I'm the type to not let people like you run this shit. So, what you trying to do? What you trying to do? Wow. Did you just spit on my... What the fuck? I'm suing for battery and assault.
Linda has 4 apples and 3 t-shirts and a best friend named Barb. Barb has a sewing kit, and Barb lives in downtown Michigan, and her family's having some issues and the parents are getting divorced. How many...
Pants low, afro, no shirt, blowing perp. I'm not a star, I'm just a regular old hood nigga.
Breathing, I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't find.
For your giggling ass. Boo! I'm a go! Oh my god! A floating shopping list! Oh shit, I forgot I went to the goddamn store. Hold on. Boo! I'm a go! Oh my god, a ghost! Alright. I can't do it! I can't do it! I can't do it! I can't do it! Lord, no!
Where y'all at?
Oh, fucking hell.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco. La, 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 la.